Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available settings for your Logitech G502 Hero mice. So we'll be checking out the settings in the Logitech G Hub app, which we've shown how to download in our other video. Now let's check it out. So first, if we click on the mouse icon, we can change the sensitivity DPI, also change the report rate. I would make sure to use that one. You can restore default settings and adjust DPI with the slider right here. Go for assignments to give your keys new functions. You can change commands, keys, actions, macros, and the system. If you go for the light sync, you can change anything about your RGB lights for this mice. Here you can change any desktop profile. Now we can move on to the device settings, but before we have right here onboard memory mode, which you can turn on or off to save the settings on the mouse on the go. But now let's move on to device settings, and here we can enable or disable DPI lighting, device startup effects, and change the profiles right here. Also, you can see the version of your device firmware. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.